Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to password protect your online store in Shopify. In another way, how to lock your online store in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on login to log in to your Shopify account. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on online store below sales channels. Now select preferences. Now enable this option next to password protection. As you can see, restrict access to visitors with the password. Now fill in your desired password. For example, I will go with Ben's Experience. You can also write a message to your visitors. For example, or we'll be back soon. Thank you for your patience. Now click on this save button or this one at the bottom. It's the same thing. These settings are saved. Let's give this online shop a visit. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's give this online shop a visit. As you can see, now it requires a password to log in. And we'll be back soon. Thank you for your patience. And to enter this shop, you need to fill in your password here, Ben's Experience. And if I hit enter, I will access my online shop. And this is how to password protect your online store in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.